Welcome back to Hidden Wisdom Academy Biology. Today we start learning about pteridophytes, the first true vascular land plants. Unlike bryophytes, they have xylem and phloem to transport water and food. But they are still cryptogams, so they don't have flowers or seeds. Their life cycle is mainly sporophyte, which makes them more advanced than bryophytes. Let's look at their key features in detail. Let's talk about the general features of pteridophytes. Pteridophytes generally grow in cool, damp, and shady habitats. Their plant body is well differentiated into true roots, stems, and leaves, unlike bryophytes. They possess highly developed vascular tissues, xylem and phloem, making them the pioneers of vascular evolution. Since they do not produce seeds, reproduction occurs through spores, which is why they are still grouped under cryptogams. Let's talk about the salient features of pteridophytes. In pteridophytes, the sporophyte, main plant body, is dominant. It has roots, stems, and leaves with vascular tissues to carry water and food. They reproduce by spores instead of flowers, fruits, or seeds. Like other cryptogams, they show alternation of generations. The diploid sporophyte alternates with the haploid gametophyte. Let's talk about the structure of the sporophyte in pteridophytes. The sporophyte of pteridophytes has roots, stems, and leaves. The roots are adventitious, helping in absorption and support. The stems are aerial, branched, and green for photosynthesis. Leaves are of two types, microphylls, which are small and simple like in Selaginella, and macrophylls, which are larger and complex like in ferns. They have true vascular tissues, xylem and phloem, but no secondary growth. Sporangia form on special leaves called sporophylls, which are often arranged into strobili or cones. Now, let's talk about the economic importance of pteridophytes. Pteridophytes are not just important botanically but also economically. Some, like Equisetum and Lycopodium, are used in medicine. Ferns are popular as ornamental plants, adding greenery indoors and outdoors. They act as soil binders, preventing erosion, and their ancient fossil forms even contributed to coal deposits. Clearly, pteridophytes are plants with practical as well as ecological importance. Now, let's talk about the alternation of generations in pteridophytes. Pteridophytes have alternation of generations. The diploid sporophyte is the main, independent plant that makes spores. The haploid gametophyte is small, short-lived, and produces gametes. Fertilization needs water because the sperm can swim. This shows their link between bryophytes and seed plants and is important for NEET. Let's quickly recap salient features of pteridophytes. Pteridophytes are the first true vascular plants with roots, stems, and leaves. The sporophyte is dominant, and they reproduce by spores, not seeds or flowers. They show alternation of generations. Economically, they are used as medicinal plants, ornamentals, soil binders, and some ancient species formed coal. Remember these points for NEET. Here's your challenge question for today. Which of the following statements about pteridophytes is correct? Is it option A? Gametophyte is the dominant generation. Is it option B? They reproduce by seeds and flowers. Is it option C? The sporophyte is the dominant generation and reproduces via spores. Or is it option D? They lack vascular tissues. Comment your answers or send it to us on WhatsApp or Telegram. That's all for the salient features of pteridophytes. We learned their general features, sporophyte structure, alternation of generations, and economic importance. Try the challenge question to test yourself. In the next episode, we will start classification of pteridophytes Part 1 on Lycopodiopsida and Psilotopsida, covering their reproduction, key examples, and NEET important features. Subscribe and stay tuned for the next part of the Plant Kingdom series.